Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can search for YouTube comments. Okay, so natively YouTube doesn't have the ability to search your comments. So if you want to do this without the method I'm going to show you, you can either push Ctrl F onto your keyboard and then search for a specific keyword. But using that method, you have to load up all the comments, and that can take a while. So this is a much easier method. So let's just get straight into it. So what you want to do is you want to go onto a web browser that supports Google Chrome extensions. I recommend just using Google Chrome. Then you can come to Google and then just type Chrome Web Store into the search bar and then hit search. Once you've done that, click on Chrome Web Store. And what we're going to do is we're going to search the store. So what you need to type is YouTube comment search and then hit enter, and the first result should be YCS YouTube comment search. So just click on that, and then you want to go ahead and add this to Chrome. So I'll click on add to Chrome, click on add extension, and then that'll just go ahead and install the extension for me. So it says it's been added to Chrome. Now what I can do is I can go to, let me just close out my browser and then open it up again just to be sure. And then I'll go to YouTube, and to make sure it's active you can click the extension button, and then you can see it's there, YCS. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go onto any video. So let me just click on this video right here, make sure the sound is down, and it should load up the comment searcher. If I look here, you can see below the description it says YouTube comment search, and what you can do is you can just type something in here. So what I'll do is I'll just put the creator name into there and see what comes up, and then hit search. And as you can see, it found all these comments with the keyword that I put in there, which is kind of cool. So this is a nice Chrome extension to quickly search YouTube comments, and it's 100% safe to add it to your web browser and everything like that. Just input here what you want to search for, click on search, and you'll be able to find any keyword from the comment section of any YouTube video. So I hope this video helped you out today. If it did, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.